Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about another network theory chapter, that is two-port network. First we have to know what is two-port network. We have to know what is one-port network. In graphical presentation I am going to explain one-port network and two-port network. For example, network type, this type is my output. This type of network is known as one-port network. If my network is there, type input and this type output is there, this type network is known as our two-port network. There are so many parameters in two-port network. Mainly there are impedance parameter, admittance parameter, hybrid parameter and transmission line parameter are there. These four are very important. Here we are going to revise our two-port network. So your first point is our ड्राइविंग पॉइंट इम्पीडेंस एंड एडमिटेंस फंक्शन. ड्राइविंग पॉइंट इम्पीडेंस फंक्शन क्या है? आवर ड्राइविंग पॉइंट इम्पीडेंस फंक्शन इज Z11 equal to V1 by I1, Z22 equal to V2 by I2. This is my impedance. And if we will get ड्राइविंग पॉइंट एडमिटेंस फंक्शन क्या है? एडमिटेंस इज करंट बाय वोल्टेज. सो Y11 equal to I1 by V1 and Y22 equal to I2 by V2. This is my driving point impedance function. This is my driving point admittance function. Impedance is voltage by current. So this is my input driving point impedance. This is my output driving point impedance. This is my input driving point admittance. This is my output driving point admittance. So now we will read about impedance and admittance transfer function. Now we have to see what is impedance and admittance transfer function. Your impedance transfer function formula is Z21 equal to V2 by I1, Z12 equal to V1 by I2. Your 2 is there first, so it is V2, 1, so I1. Impedance is voltage by current. Similarly, Z12 equal to V1 by I2. Now see admittance transfer function. Y21 equal to I2 by V1 and Y12 equal to I1 by V2. This is my admittance transfer function. Voltage and current transfer function क्या है? Voltage transfer function is G12 equal to V1 by V2, 21 equal to V2 by V1. Similarly, current transfer function equal to alpha 12 equal to I1 by I2 and alpha 21 equal to I2 by I1. The different parameters. Our first parameter is impedance or Z parameter, which is otherwise known as open circuit parameter. How we can write it? It is V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, 2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Similarly, we will see admittance parameter or Y parameter or short circuit parameter. Admittance or Y or I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. This is my admittance parameter or Y parameter or short circuit parameter. How short circuit parameter will happen? We have to short circuit and we can find out that value. Case V1, here V2 equal to 0, case V1 equal to 0. In this case I2 equal to 0, in this case I1 equal to 0. Okay. Third is our H parameter or hybrid parameter. Now we can rewrite this one. V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Case I1 is not there, so I2 equals to 0. In this case V1 is not there, so V1 equal to 0. Fourth parameter is G parameter or inverse hybrid parameter. So here we can write I1 equal to G11 V1 plus G12 I2, or V2 equal to 0 and V2 equal to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. Here I1 equals to 0. This is my G parameter or inverse hybrid parameter. Now switch over to ABCD parameter or transmission line parameter. This is very important one, or transmission line parameter. V1 equal to A V2 minus B I2. Here I1 equal to 0. I1 equal to C V2 minus D I2. Here V1 equal to 0. Different condition for a network to be symmetrical and reciprocal. अगर नेटवर्क सिमेट्रिकल एंड रेसिप्रोकल के लिए कुछ कंडीशन है. दैट कंडीशंस आर रेसिप्रोकल फॉर जेड पैरामीटर. हियर वी कैन राइट for Z parameter, Y parameter, ABCD, H for Z parameter, it is Z12 equal to Z21, symmetrical Z11 equal to Z22. For Y parameter, Y12 equal to Y21, Y1 for symmetrical Y11 equal to Y22. For ABCD parameter, reciprocal condition is A, B, C, D, determinant 1. For symmetrical, the condition is A equal to D. For H parameter, reciprocal condition we can write H12 equal to H12 equal to minus H21, and for symmetrical its condition is H11, H12, H21, H22, determinant equal to 1. For G parameter, it is G12 minus G21, G11, G12, G21 and G22 equal to 1. This is for G parameter. Now there are some connections and how we can find our parameter in that connections. Interconnection between two port network, first network and this one is my second network, and these two network is in connection with cascade connection. This type connection is known as cascaded connection. Once output is connected to another input, this connection is known as cascade connection. This equivalent is N. You can write ABCD equal to A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. This is my cascade connection. In cascade connection, ABCD parameter of this network equal to ABCD parameter of this network multiplication with ABCD parameter of this network. This is my cascade connection. Second one is our series network. In series network, it is deal with our impedance parameter. Formula is how we will get Z11, Z12, Z22, Z21, Z22 equals to Z11 double dash. This network Z parameter plus this parameter this network Z parameter is this one. You can write this is my series network connection value. Now we can write another is parallel network connection. Parallel, it is for Y parameter Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22, Y11 dash plus Y11 double dash, Y12 dash plus Y12 double dash, Y21 dash plus Y21 double dash, Y22 dash plus Y22 double dash. This is for parallel connection. Another is series parallel network. In series parallel network, it is combination of hybrid parameter, and in parallel series, it is combination of inverse hybrid parameter. We can rewrite that one as, now see series parallel connection. Here input side is series connection and output side is parallel connection. In this network, our hybrid parameter is there. The hybrid parameter H11, H12, H21, H22. See how we can find H11 equal to H11 dash plus H11 double dash. Similarly, H22 dash plus H22 double dash. All parameters we will find in this way. Now see parallel series network. Here parallel series means input side parallel connection and output side series connection is there. G11, G12, G21, G22. So G11 dash plus G11 double dash, all parameters are find out in similar way. Now we will see lattice network. In lattice network, this is my diagram. This is my lattice. Here Z1 equal to there, it's Z3, Z2 and Z4. Z1 and Z3 are known as straight arm impedance and Z2 and Z4 are known as cross arm impedance. Z1 and Z3 you can take as ZA, Z2 and Z4 we can take as ZB. Here V1 is there, I1, V2 and I2 is there. Symmetrical condition क्या है? Z1 equal to Z3, reciprocal equal to Z2 equal to Z4. So in this case we can write Z1 equal to Z3 equal to ZA, Z2 equal to Z4 equal to ZB. Okay. How we can find your Z11, Z22 this type formula? Here Z12 equal to Z21 equal to, directly you can write ZB minus ZA by 2. Okay. And Z11 equal to Z22 equal to, you can write that ZA plus ZB by 2. This is the explanation of lattice network. Now there are some simple network is there. How we will find in shortcut method we will see now. If this type network is there, how we will find Z parameter is, some trick is there. Here Z11 we can write that Z1 plus Z3, Z22 equal to Z2 plus Z3 and Z12 equal to Z21 equal to Z3. Similarly in Y parameter, here Y11 equal to Y1 plus Y3, Y22 equal to Y2 plus Y3, Y21 equal to Y12 equal to Y3. Another last point is there, how to convert one parameter to another parameter. Here we will put in that equation is there, Z parameter, Y parameter, ABCD parameter, everything is there. In this parameter we will put that values and we will find out regarding formulas. Here I am writing only one formula of converting ABCD parameter into impedance parameter, because it is very important. In other we can find out similar way. Z1 equal to A by C, Z22 equal to D by C, Z12 equal to AD minus BC by C, Z21 equal to 1 by C. This is very important. This is very important. Others we can find out by putting values in respective equation. But now if you will remember this, 90% of problems we can solve. Generally it didn't come. If it will come, you can put that formula and get the answer. This is my two-port network. If you will require, tell me and I will give the table. Thank you. This is two-port parameter.